Hey, just a quick 2-minute video here talking about the importance of getting a business plan together. Getting a business plan is kind of like going on a road trip, but having a map of where you're going. Yes, it's fun to go ahead and hop in the car and just see where the road takes you, but one of the funner things to do is actually have a detailed plan of where you're going. This will help you go in case there's any roadblocks or any detours. It keeps you focused on that end goal. So if you're driving, say from New York to LA, that's a long trip. Everything should go according to plan, but you want to have all your backup plans. If you get a flat tire, if you run out of gas, all these different things, instead of dealing with it when it happens, when you're able to actually focus on where you're going and have the faith that you're actually going to get there. Makes it pretty simple. Same thing with the business plan. If you have the end goal that you're trying to get to with your business, no matter what it is, whether you have a restaurant and you want a chain of 50 restaurants, or maybe you have a gym and you want to get up to 3,000 memberships, whatever the case is, if you have the roadmap of how you're going to get there and what to do when hurdles come along, those will help you, because when everything's going great, it's easy to keep the momentum going. But you don't want to get tripped up and lose time when there's a hiccup or something that's not there. Also, make a list of everything that you're doing. Put that in your strengths and weaknesses in that business plan. It can help you out a lot. Anyways, business plan, business plan, business plan. Get it done, do it. And I'm gonna leave some links in the comment section that can kind of help you out with that. If we can be of any service, feel free to give us a call. Have a great day. Bye.